Hello kids, Toys Are Fun here. I'm with my daughter Carly. Give me fire, Carly. Say hi to the kids.
Hi kids.
And I'm Carly's dad, and today we have a special surprise. We have, what's in here? Help me, Carly. Peppa Pig. Let's see if we can get out of here. This is Peppa Pig's house construction set. So we have the Peppa's house construction set, and this is a really nice set. It comes with 107 pieces, and it has 4 figures. It has Peppa, George, Mommy, and Daddy, and it's Peppa's house construction set. And let's take a look. If we go here, you can see inside. It says Peppa is a lovable, cheeky little pig who lives with her little brother George, Mommy Pig, and Daddy Pig. Peppa's favorite things include playing games, dressing up, days out, and jumping in muddy puddles. Peppa's house looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. You think so, Carly?
Yes.
Do you like Peppa?
Yeah.
What is your favorite character? Do you like George or Mommy or Daddy or Peppa or
all of the figurines?
Oh, you like the whole Peppa's whole family. All right, kids, let's get started. Let's open Peppa's house construction set. First, we have a big bag of blocks. Lots of yellow blocks, orange, red, and green. Let's see what else we got. Green part, which looks like the grass. Next, we have yellow. We got lots of colors in this one for Peppa's house. Ooh, stickers. Lots of fun stickers here to put on Peppa's house. Very important, we have the instructions. Another big piece for Peppa's house. Let's see if we can dump all these out. Let's see what's left. Alright. We have the yellow piece. We have Peppa and his family. We have 4 characters. And we have the rest of our pieces. So let's start building. let's put the piggies in the house. Oh, you're gonna do George first. Oh, and George is by all the pretty flowers. Flowers are right next to the muddy puddle. And then who do you have next?
Mommy.
Oh, Mommy's sitting down. And who else would you like to put in? Where's Peppa gonna go?
Night, night.
Oh, Peppa's going night-night. And where's Daddy gonna go?
I'll go to grill. It's cooking grill.
He's cooking on the grill. That's awesome. So there you have it. Peppa's family is all safe in the house. Hey guys, be sure to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the fun.